So we're heading out again. We're going to the metro station and then to Sarojini. Sarojini. That's one of my favorite places in Delhi. Maybe it's my favorite place. Do you like Sarojini as well?
Yeah.
Gonna get a haircut.
Sweet potato.
Yeah, we're gonna have sweet potato. And then we're gonna meet Sarang, have some barbecue and fire pan. And Gavi said that Delhi metro is really cool.
INA Sarojini Nagar. Because if you do something wrong,
It says only exit, but no one cares. That's already the beginning of Sarojini. Sarojini, it's like a very crowded place. Here you have to be slightly careful. Everyone wants to sell random stuff. Thank you. So that's potato. Is it onion?
yeah.
Onion. Potato, onion, and chole. It's not very easy to eat.
I mean, you can.
It's falling apart. This one I really liked last time. Hova, I think on the first or second day we were here to buy the suit, and he introduced me to those Pani Puri.
Pani with water, so it's
Pani is water. Puri.
And puri is the kind of
Pani Puri.
it's the dough, fried dough.
So this time maybe we eat more street food. This is also really inexpensive. No? Like
Pani Puri is 20 rupees.
20 rupees, and we got 5 Pani Puri. So that's like 25 cents.
Sweet, because it's sweet, some sweet sauce.
Yeah. I think I could stand here all day eating this. So this is Sarojini Market, my favorite market in Delhi, in the world, because it's the only market I actually like. And last time I was driving the vendors crazy because I was searching for 6 identical shorts. Yeah, so I bought 12 t-shirts, and the t-shirts were no problem, 12 black t-shirts for like €2 a piece. And then those shorts, but I could only at the beginning get like 2 or I don't know how many shorts. In the end I had 5. I didn't manage to buy 6, but I went to all of the vendors and I tried to get the exact same shorts. 6 pieces was impossible, and they didn't understand why I want 6 identical shorts. They had different colors, and I think it's understandable.
Doing barbecue nation and fire pan, right?
Yes. So we are now at Connaught Place. Connaught. And this is kind of similar to Khan Market, no? So Khan Market is more posh, because I feel like this feels more posh. So we're going for food to the barbecue nation.
Yeah, that's what I said. Oh wait, can I use? Okay, fine. We started in the slow motion because I'll only record it slow.
So after overeating at the barbecue, what's it?
Barbecue Nation.
Barbecue Nation. I'm gonna eat some
Fire pan.
pan, whatever that is. I don't know.
Yeah, we're gonna
Maybe
just
they're
do that.
gonna set my beard on fire. I didn't make it to the barber.
And this is a very famous place in Delhi.
Is it?
Yeah, it's one of the famous things to do in Delhi, which is to have fire pan.
So it's a special pan shop,
Yeah.
or they all have fire pan?
No, this one is. Yeah.
This one.
Gupta Paan.
So yeah, that's what you said. There's
Yeah.
ice pan.
Yeah, this is the one they just. Oh, this
Can
one.
you ask him if it's
No, this-
okay? Oh God. Oh wait.
How?
भैया बस एक ही चाहिए था.
One for you?
No, I'm not having it. I've had it before.
That was too. Why was it too fast?
But it's not so fast. I'm
Did you like it?
धड़कन की जंजीर है जैसे आँखों में तस्वीर है जैसे तू मेरी तकदीर है जैसे.
My friends went to the 24/7. I'm staying in the car and suddenly the radio started. I don't know why.
पलकों पर ये प्यार के न जाने कितने गुल खिले तेरे ख्वाब सजाते रहना अब है मेरा काम तेरी याद हम सफर सुबह शाम तेरी याद हम सफर
This kind of Indian music. Indian music.
मेरी सांसों में बसा है.
बाकी एरिया से जो कंपेयर कर रहे हैं वो सेमी अर्बन और रूरल एरियाज है जहाँ पे ज्यादा आती है. लेकिन अगर शहरों को आप कंपेयर करें चाहे मुंबई हो चाहे बड़े शहर जितने भी हैं उनमें तो दिल्ली